Yo, what's up everyone and welcome back to Math Motion channel, and today actually marks day 15 of making the video, and today is actually Wednesday. So today I'm skipping the university for today because I have other things important to do. So a little bit what's gonna be happening today. As you know, there's no trade recap. We didn't do any trades, but the thing is, we're gonna be making a live day trade right now in this video, and I'll be showing you and explaining the steps. I'm doing it like pretty much like every video, but today I will hopefully try to improve the video, the quality of my speech as well, and how I explain the whole thing of trading, how I do the strategy and everything like that. So as you know, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed my video, and hit that notification bell as well so you don't miss out the all the content I'm gonna be uploading. I'm also uploading the shorts. I am editing them, so I'm gonna be uploading one short per video pretty much. Hopefully, maybe I'll be uploading more, but yeah. So let's get into the trade, and yeah, let's see what we have here. So as you know, hopping into the Forex Factory, we see over here today's news, October 15th. Medium impact news, nothing major. Don't mind them. They don't give any much info. So let's get into a trading. So what do we have here today? Today, well, by the looks of it, the market doesn't look that too good, but first, I think the first thing we have to do is mark the Asian session. I already marked the Asian session, opens here. The London session opens right over here, as you can see. And then the New York session opens right over here, also, as you can see. So the Asian session high is that one. Asian session low is that one. Asian session high is that one. Asian session low is that one. And then London session high, London session low. That's a huge way down, as we can see. A huge way down over here. I don't know what happened, but it hit all the Asian session lows. We can see, and then retrace. So we can see it also hit the Asian session filled pretty much its own Asia highs. So we delete them. It doesn't matter. Okay, we leave that because that one is not filled yet. We go to 5 minutes. In five minutes, what you want to search for is inverse fair value gap and break of structure. Only those two. Only those two we need. So do we have any inverse fair value gaps over here? You have one inverse fair value gap over here, which doesn't really have a high impact on it. And then we have a huge inverse fair value gap over here that got filled by the market. So yeah, you can see that. Next, what else we're looking for? We want to be looking for a break of structure. Actually, a break of structure happened over here, which showed me, but there isn't a, sorry. We can see a retracement back. So was there any, why there was a retracement? It doesn't matter. So we have two inverse fair value gaps that got filled. We have a break of structure, three confluences we already have. We want to go to lower time frame, 1 minute. We go to 1 minute. After that, in 1 minute, we want to be looking for a liquidity sweeps, a break of structure as well, but for breaker blocks and order blocks, maybe equilibrium if you're gonna find it. Not all the time you can find everything. So the recent one we can see is over here. Actually, the break of structure happened over here, which this will be a order block. This will be a breaker block. Both of them got filled over here. We can see that. Next thing we're gonna see, be using this. I'm gonna be marking this. We have that the market one actually hit that. It filled it, and now it went on rise. We can see it hit that liquidity sweep over here. It filled this orders over here. It still haven't over here. So we're gonna be waiting for that, as it could be a retracement to that as well. But you see how the market works. You can see it went down, it filled the orders like all these liquidity sweeps over here. Also, actually, let's mark this. Last time I made the same mistake. We have a liquidity sweep over here, liquidity sweep over here, liquidity sweep. No, that one not. Over here. 3 liquidity sweeps. They all of them got filled. So what we want to do also is mark that break of structure over there. Mark that order block. And mark this breaker block. These ones still haven't got filled, as you can see. So what we want to do first is go from this to this. Mark that. This, it never entered that as well. So we are not too much into that thing. But we can see there's a huge chances that the market is going to go there. We have 3 confidences over there. So the first thing we're going to be waiting for is if a breakout structure happens here, that would give me a more confidence that the market will be going up. And then I will be entering the trade based on that over here. So if it does, I will be entering the market there, and then we will be setting up trade from there. So yeah, that's that. And yeah, so I'm just setting this, don't mind that. But so I don't want to be too much into it. So I guess we will be a break of structure happen over here. So setting into that and then setting it below a little bit. So that's how we want to do. So first of all, let's wait for that break of structure happening in 1 minute. And when it does happen, we will be entering the market. We want to be setting our stop level. Before that, we're not going to be entering any market. So now it's all about waiting. So that's how it's going to be. Also, I will be creating a new channel for, it's going to be a math motion. Actually, let me check. It will be called yeah, it will be called Math Motion Gaming. That's the channel will be called. So over there, I will be uploading the games I will be playing. I will be playing with my friend, maybe alone as well. So I will be uploading how I play the games. How, like, I will be uploading shorts on there as well of me gaming on that video as well. And yeah, that's the plan. I will be what I will be playing. I will be playing GTA 5 for sure. Rust, one of the main games I play. I will be playing that one as well. But yeah, so I just wanted to let you know that before, as you can see now, we're like just waiting for the trade to happen. So let's wait for that. Let's see. The market could be, if it's going to retrace from there, we're still going to be waiting for that. So it's all about waiting game. Patience, 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 and one more time, patience. As you can see, actually, I wanted to show you trade locker. I'm down badly. So pretty much all the loss we made just before my before going to a trip, I lost so much. As you can see, like, I lost so much. So it was my fault. I did badly in it. I didn't do what I'm supposed to do. Look into the market, be looking for those A winning trades, and that's why I took the loss. So that's what we're gonna be waiting for now. So yeah, let's see how that works out. So the new low is new high is that one. We can see the market wants to go up, but the thing is, maybe the market doesn't have that strength to go up, so it's filling the orders below, and to get that strength of the market to push towards up. So if it closes, but breakout structure in there, we're entering, I think. Yeah. So that's where we're gonna be entering. Sell, stop loss. Sell, take profit. Or take profit will be this price. What's going on? I can't place the trade. Interesting. So we're going to be setting that as 1%. Take profit will be... Wait, was there a break of structure or not? That's what I'm thinking, I'm not sure, but... Oh. My bad, I was setting it wrongly. And that's the buy. So, thing is, you want to be setting up for a stop level on that one. But is it on that one though? Technically, we want to be setting up here, so. Just like that. And that's how we make a trade. And once again, thank you for watching. Like, I will be making of what mistakes I made and recap tomorrow. Tomorrow probably I'm gonna be like creating this video only in the evening because I have a part-time work to do. But yeah, that's how it's gonna be. So I just want to say thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking up. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow and peace out.